The Union Budget 2025 has just rewritten India's tax rules, bringing massive relief to the middle class. Imagine earning 12 lakhs a year and paying zero tax. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's now a reality. But what's the catch and how does this impact you? Let us break it down in an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance, especially for individual investors like you. So if your annual income is 12 lakhs or less, you won't pay a single rupee in income tax. And if you earn 12.75 lakh, the 75,000 standard deduction keeps you tax-free. Just last year, this limit was 7 lakhs. So this is a massive jump. But what if you earn more than 12.75 lakh? Will your tax burden still go down? Let us find out. The government has restructured the tax slab, making them more progressive. So here's what they look like now, presented on the screen for you. You can pause it and see it clearly. So what does this mean for you? If you earn 20 lakhs per year, your income will be taxed at different rates across these brackets. And the highest tax slab of 30% now applies only beyond 24 lakhs. Does this make taxes fairer? Or could there have been a better way? Now here's where things get really interesting. The rebate under section 87A has been significantly increased. Earlier, if you earned up to 7 lakhs, you got a rebate of 25,000. Now, if you earn up to 12 lakhs, you can claim a 60,000 rupees rebate, making your tax liability zero. But wait, this rebate doesn't apply to capital gains, NRIs, HUFs or companies. It's strictly for resident individuals earning regular income. So is this a true middle class booster or just a push towards the new tax regime? These changes will impact your finances in three major ways. Number one, more money in your pocket. With lower taxes, you will have more savings for investments, travel, or even upgrading your lifestyle. Number two, a stronger economy. More disposable income means higher spending, boosting business and job growth. Number three, a push towards the new tax regime. With tax-free income up to 12.75 lakh, will more people ditch the old regime with deductions? Some experts argue that instead of pushing people into the new tax regime, the government could have simply increased deductions in the old regime. Would that have been a better move? So what should you do now? If you earn up to 12 lakhs, congratulations. You don't need to worry about taxes anymore, but are you investing this saved money wisely? If you earn about 12.75 lakh, you need to recalculate your tax liability. Can you optimize your savings further? And if you're wondering which tax regime is better for you, now is the best time to plan. Not sure what this means for your finances? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Book a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners through the link in the description and get a personalized tax saving strategy especially made for you. So what do you think of the new tax slabs? Will they really help the middle class? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more such financial insights. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.